Are you ready with your
Yes,
character?
ma'am.
The second round we have, we are the bright right, wherein I'll ask you weird, bizarre questions and you got to answer. And the third is innovative interrogation. This is a surprise, and the host himself will explain what it is. All right. So we'll start off with our sail and pray that it's smooth. And I'll share my screen. There you are. Okay. Okay. So this is the shipwreck round, and it's the first round. Round one. Are you all ready?
Yay!
Give me a yes. Come on, right?
Yes.
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 That's such a thunder yes for right. Come on.
Hoot, 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 hoot.
Hoot. Hoot, hoot. Yes, there you go. All right. So we are sailing across the ocean when suddenly, no, that's not a Titanic. That's the Golden Sparrow cruise. All right. So we are sailing across the Indian Ocean, and suddenly, there you are. We leave. Everybody on board. All right, when suddenly the engine machine breaks and the ship sinks. All right, collectively we move. Thankfully, we have a lifeboat and we collectively move on to the lifeboat. But as you can see, the lifeboat is very small. Therefore, it can fit only 8 people in it. Now, the other 8 have to sacrifice themselves for the remaining ones. So who will it be? And the waves are very strong and the lifeboat is in danger. So there you are. I have a bowl of chits with me. All right, everybody mute yourselves. When I pick out the name and I call out your name, you have to introduce your character and then you have to tell us why should you be allowed on this lifeboat and how are you a benefit for others. Is that clear? That's what you have to do with your character. Ready to go?
What
Should
ship
I
is
shuffle?
this, Alfia, ma'am?
This is a lifeboat, sir.
Okay.
And the waves are so strong that the lifeboat needs to be emptied. We are 16 on the lifeboat and it can accommodate only 8. So the other 8 have to really speak well in order to survive. Okay, so there we are with my, there I am with my chits. I'm going to shuffle my chits in front of you.
Okay.
One person already flew off the boat.
Throw him. That must be Muhammad Muhammadi. Just let him go.
No.
Okay,
right.
can you
So
undo the screen share so we can see everyone?
Yes.
Wow,
yes.
It's nice.
All right, so the first chit I have here with me, Batul. Okay, Batul.
Yay! Batul.
Come on, Batul. Introduce your character and tell us why should you be allowed on the lifeboat and how will you be a benefit for others?
Hello everyone, my name is Holly. I'm a princess, and I'm not able to sing very well, so I can.
It's okay, Batul. It's completely fine. Okay, Batul, do you want to be on the lifeboat or you are ready to sacrifice yourself for others?
I can't swim, so
Okay, Holly cannot swim. All right. All the more reason for her to be on the lifeboat, isn't it?
What princess are you, Batul? I'm sorry, I did not get the princess name. You said you're a princess, Alfia ma'am. What princess is she?
Princess Holly.
Holly. Okay.
Yes.
That's interesting.
All right. Next, moving on to the next member. Let us see. Abdullah Patel. Woohoo!
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am today. I'm not going to say hello. I'm going to say Wakanda forever. This is my greetings, ma'am. And ma'am, I am Black Panther. And ma'am, the first thing I'm gonna do that I'm gonna use my vibranium to make the ship's engine, ma'am. Easy.
Wow, did he just end the game already? Like he just got the ship back, so nobody has to hop onto the lifeboat. Why didn't I
Good
think of
reason.
it?
And ma'am, one more reason that I'm an Avenger, so I saved the world. So I need to be on the ship so I could save people.
Perfect, perfect. I couldn't help but agree. Moving on to the next.
You
Okay.
man.
Aisha Kazi.
Oh, okay, Alfia ma'am, just 1 minute. Just make me the host again, so I can do all my tricks around.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wakanda.
All right, there you are. There you are,
Okay.
sir.
Perfect, perfect. So Abdullah explain now. I'll go back to this. Who is speaking? All right, Aisha Kazi. there
Aisha
you are.
Kazi.
And Alfia ma'am, they're going to introduce themselves now, and after that, you're going to ask them some questions.
Yes, sir.
Great. Go ahead, Aisha.
Aisha, go ahead.
I'm going to sacrifice myself. I'm going to stay on the ship, cruise ship, and the other 8 people can go, and I will save myself from anything I get.
How, Aisha? The ship is sinking already. And why would you sacrifice yourself? Aisha, nobody's getting anything. You know, you're not getting an award to sacrifice yourself.
Aisha, you have your baby brother to look after. You don't need to sacrifice yourself. Come
We
on,
don't
Aisha.
want you to sacrifice yourself.
You're the
Come
cutest
on.
thing
You're
around.
gonna fight for your position on the lifeboat. Okay, think about it, Aisha, and we'll come back to you. All right. How about we move on to Muhammad Saqib? Are you there, Muhammad Saqib? Is
Where?
Muhammad Saqib? No,
Where is he?
Oh,
no
I
idea.
think he's already taken one lifeboat and back at the shore.
Okay, he's already got to the show. Next, moving on, Hamdan. How about you introduce your character? Woohoo, Fazlani.
Ma'am, because
Yes.
I'm Superman, I'll pick up the boat and keep it on the.
My Alfia.
Isn't this too earthly game for these superheroes? to be
Yes,
honest?
they are all Titan heroes.
I know, right? We should have bought a super wreck ship. All right, Usman.
Ma'am, I will everybody one by one as my factors that I know.
Usman, can you mute yourself and then unmute yourself because your voice is breaking.
Yes. Speak up again, Usman.
My character is Skylander. I will say I'm a dragon, so I would one by one take everybody on the last.
See, Aisha, you have members who are dragons and ready to eat up the others, and there you are sacrificing yourself for dragons?
Did he say he's a dragon, Usman?
Yes, he
Right.
did.
Fire-breathing dragon?
And he said, I'm going to eat everybody else so that I get the lifeboat to my own self.
Oh, okay. Usman, you look pretty with this. So where is Usman for me here? This is Usman, the fire-breathing dragon. Okay, good.
Oh, that's some amazing dragon. All right. So next we have Anas. Anas, where are you, Anas?
Anas
go ahead.
Momin.
Ma'am, I am Spider-Man, so I will shoot my web and go to the land, and I will take another boat and save them all.
Wow, that's really amazing. So he's a Spider-Man, he said. Okay. Why won't you help? You should help Abdullah fix the ship, you know, so we have a better, bigger vessel to go in. All right. Humera. Yes, please.
I was just saying, but when Blazing Usman is just going to lift your whole, no, it was Hamdan who was going to lift your whole ship up, then I think the matter was solved, right?
Yeah, yeah.
There's really superheroes you've got, Alfia, ma'am.
I know, right? So do we
Ma'am, I
have
want to
Humaira?
say one thing, ma'am.
You will
But
get a chance. You'll get a chance, Abdullah. I'll come back to you. You know, we are just introducing our characters, and then we'll really have a debate as to who should be allowed and who shouldn't, and why and what, everything. Don't worry. Do we have Humaira in the house? No.
Umaira Qasim, where are you? No? Oh my
Humaira
goodness. Let me
Qasim
quickly-
hasn't joined in. All right, Umar Sharif, are you there, Umar? Oh, there he is. He just joined in, so I'll let him
Okay,
settle
yeah.
down.
Yeah, correct,
Yes,
good.
and then we'll move on to the next one. Until then, Ibrahim Rizwani. I was waiting for this name because Aquaman.
Ma'am, I should be allowed on the ship. Instead, not.
Who are you, Ibrahim? Introduce your character first. Why and what we'll come to later.
Ma'am, I am Aquaman.
All right, and
Ma'am, I should be allowed or not allowed. It doesn't matter because I'm Aquaman. I can still breathe in water. I am the king of Atlantis, and instead of being on a ship, I can save the people who couldn't go
okay, that's
on
a
the
strong
lifeboat.
point. All right, Umar, are you in, Umar? I just wanted to check on you, Umar. Are you in? There you are, Umar. How about you introduce your character to us, Umar?
I'm Umar.
I'm Umar. Okay, you are yourself, Umar. Tell us, Umar, why should we allow you on this sinking lifeboat that we have, who barely holds 8 people? Yes. Also, if you can make me the co-host.
Yes.
Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay,
So,
you
Umar,
listen to a couple of them, Umar, and then we come to you. Okay?
All
No,
right.
no, I did not listen the question.
Okay. Alfia ma'am, please
Okay,
speak in
Umar,
English.
so we are we are on a ship, Umar, and this engine machine has broken down. So we all collectively have moved on to the lifeboat, but the lifeboat is too tiny and we can hold only 8 people in it. All right. So right now we are introducing our characters and telling as to why should we, out of the many, be allowed on the lifeboat.
I will let all the old ones go, and I will be on the ship.
Who's old? Who are you calling old?
Oh, you mean Hamdan and Abdullah can be saved, right?
Abdullah,
That's nice.
Ibrahim,
Yeah,
and
all
Ibrahim,
Usman.
Muhammad, Muhammadi, the
Yeah,
dadas and the
Usman.
dadis.
Okay, all the old ones are going. You're saving. See, Umar is so generous.
He's brilliant.
I can pick him up. I'm
Oh, okay. All right.
Now
Superman
Hamdan
can
will
pick him up.
specifically pick up Umar.
I'll pick up the whole ship. Nobody needs to go on the lifeboat.
Okay, all right. So we are stopping at this moment, Alfia ma'am. The 5-6 characters that just told you, we're going to question them and grill them before we go to the others. So
All right, let's
yeah?
do that. That's the fun
come on.
part.
And
Yes.
everyone's
Come on.
going to help us in, right? Yahya, Juwairiya, Aisha, although you Aisha spoke. The ones who haven't spoken, you can grill. And everyone can ask questions. Who do we start with now? So we'll do
Yes,
two-
I'll. So from the separated chits that I have, I've shuffled it, and I'll go ahead with the chit thing.
Okay.
All right. All right. We have Hamdan Fazlani.
Yeah.
Others.
Grill
Yes,
him.
Hamdan. Now you gotta keep your point as to why you should be allowed and the others shouldn't.
Okay. So
Go ahead and
shoot
we
question
start
at
with
Hamdan.
the shoot question. Come on.
Alfia ma'am, you want to start asking him?
Yes, Hamdan. So Hamdan says he is a
Superman.
Which character? Superman. All right, Hamdan. So being Superman, you said you would lift the ship, right? And you would fly. But it's a lifeboat. It's a small lifeboat, Hamdan. What if the others fall? And what if Black Panther comes and he punches you and tells you that no, I'm the superhero. I want to save. What if there is civil war amongst the superheroes that we have?
Come on, Hamdan.
How are you going to fight that?
Ma'am, he'll punch me and then he'll only go flying back.
Okay. Interesting.
All right, Abdullah, what do you have to say to that? Come on, he's challenging you.
Ma'am, I have the vibranium. I can do anything from it. I can punch him, so
Alright.
he goes like. And ma'am, Black Lives Matter. That's why.
Oh my goodness, you touch my heart. Abdullah, I have a question for you.
He's on board. He's on board. He's on board already.
Yeah, at the end of the day, Shabana ma'am and Alfia ma'am is going to save the kids. Abdullah, there's a problem here. I haven't seen such a fair black Wakanda or Black Panther. What's wrong? Where is your charcoal? Come on, answer that for me.
Blackberry.
Yeah, you're a white panther.
All right. And Aquaman is just going to sit and watch these two fight. Aquaman, how about you?
No, ma'am, I'm not going to sit still. I will take my stick and hit them both, and I will stay on the line.
Okay. Aquaman, I have a
That's
question for
dragon,
you.
dragon.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to Dragon. Aquaman, I have a question for you. Every time the sardi hoti
Well,
hai
I'll
tumko.
hold it.
Ibrahim has cough and cold. What kind of Aquaman is this who has all cough and cold?
All right.
Come on,
Maybe he's in
Aquaman.
the warm waters. Maybe he's in the warm waters.
Ma'am,
Tropical, tropical.
Yeah,
first
go
of all,
ahead.
we won't fight with each other because we are doing the same thing. We are saving everybody.
Okay, Aisha
And we are
Kazi.
super alone. I'm also super
No, but there is
Okay,
one
Hamdan.
person, Aisha Kazi, who doesn't want to be saved. Come on. How will you convince her? Go ahead.
Come on, speak up, Aisha.
Yes, Aisha.
There will be lot of noise, so we can't listen to her, and then we'll pick up and keep it over there.
Oh, and anyway, she's so light. Just pick up. There's all Superman and Black Panthers. All right,
Hamdan
let's
is
move
already
ahead.
into
Cool.
weightlifting, huh?
Yes.
Picking up everything.
And-
Sorry. I'd like to interrupt. Please,
Yes,
please.
yes.
The princess. But
Hola.
She
Oh, yeah.
can't. Holly. She
What's
can't.
your Holly princess? Tell me, where's Princess Holly?
Yes, there she is. Batul.
Yes. Tell me, please, Batul.
Would you like to be saved by these superheroes, Batul? Would you want to be on the lifeboat with these superheroes? They are already fighting amongst themselves.
Where's Princess
I
Holly?
can do magic, so I can save my. I can create another boat for others. So
Oh, that's lovely.
Brilliant.
She said magic. Lovely. Amazing, Batul.
Yes,
Yes,
you
but
ask me
for
question.
that, the superheroes.
Usman, where is my dragon? Are
Dragon,
you fire
Usman?
breathing, Usman? Fire breathing dragon?
Or are you
Rakaris.
snoozing?
Ma'am, I can do a thing. Ma'am, Usman can do a thing that make everyone come on his back and fly. And now we are not doing a ship journey. We are doing a flying dragon journey.
Wow, that's
Okay.
lovely.
Let's start with Hamza Alfia, ma'am.
Hamza, I know.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay,
make him the captain of the ship.
Moving ahead, what are the next names, Alfia, ma'am?
Yes. All right. So we have Hamza. Lucky you, Hamza.
Thank you.
Yes. What's your character? Okay, before we move on, before Hamza speaks, I would like to mention the other characters that we've spoken about. You can disagree with the other characters as well. You can keep your point as to why Superman shouldn't be allowed on the ship and you are sufficient, and why the other characters should be or shouldn't be
Superman
allowed.
can fly. He should not be allowed.
All right, so
Oh,
we have Umar.
brilliant.
Save the point. We let Hamza
Yes.
speak first. All right.
Alright. Omar, keep your point with you, yes.
Yes, it's a lovely point. Hamza,
I am
speak, sir.
Ma'am, I am Doctor Strange.
Oh,
Nice.
do we want strange things?
Uh,
I know what Doctor Strange is anyway. Yeah.
That you are. Definitely you are. Fantastic.
Yes.
Go on.
Why shouldn't you be
Yeah,
allowed on the
let's
ship?
because I have magic and I can save all the people. Rather, not only all the people, I can save the whole world. Because I have magic.
Wow. That's the reason you disappeared in the
Yeah.
second last part of Avengers?
Yeah.
Anyway, moving on to the next, we have Juveria. Juveria, where are you? There she is. Come on, Juveria.
Hello, I'm Iron Man and this is Edith and its full form is there. Even dead, I am the hero. So it doesn't matter if I'm going to live on the, if I'm going to survive on the boat. But if you let me survive on the boat, I can fly with my suit. So first, whoever is drowning, I'll pick them up and put them on the boat. Then I'm an engineer and a scientist. I'll fix the boat and then we all can go home safely.
Okay, Abdullah has something to say. That was lovely. We would love to have you, Iron Man with Edith. Yes, Abdullah.
Iron Man is nothing without his suit, ma'am.
Whoa! Hey, Abdullah. Yeah, what's your answer?
That was
Yeah. Go ahead. Tell us something. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Iron Man is a villain. Ma'am, Iron Man has fire, so it can burn the boat. Ma'am, I have a point.
And
Iron Man
Anti-
is a
Iron Man.
fire,
Yes, Aquaman.
so it can burn the boat. Ma'am,
Alright, alright.
ma'am, without his suit, even he has a Stark Industries glare, so he can call backup from the space.
Are you with
Boy,
Iron
great.
Man
You
or
got support
against
now.
Iron Man?
I am
Aquaman?
with Iron Man.
All right. There you go. Yes, Iron Man wants to speak something.
allowed in the ship because she's the fake Iron Man. The real Iron Man died in Avengers Endgame.
Are you the real Doctor Strange?
Yes,
You are just Strange.
No,
You
no.
are not Doctor
What-
Strange.
No, Hamza means is the character also died, the Iron Man. Yeah, Hamza, I'm with you. Yes, Hamza.
But it's before the end games.
Oh,
Yes,
before
before
the
the end game, Juvain.
Boy.
You're right. Fantastic.
Okay, moving
By
on
the
to the
way,
next.
Iron Man. How did you get so long hair?
So long hair.
Iron Man, what's the answer? Come
Remember-
on.
Okay, Iron Man, come on. tell us.
Iron Man already died.
Oh, Usman, Iron
Thor
Man.
plus Iron Man. Thor plus Iron Man.
Come on, Alfia, man. It's Thor and Iron Man. Who said that?
Alright.
That's lovely.
Anas.
Anas, lovely,
Alright.
Anas. Great point.
Alright.
Okay. Oh,
Next, we have with us Aisha Aga.
Where is
Yes.
she?
There
Oh,
she
there
is
she
with
is.
her
Oh.
apron.
Michelin, yes.
Michelin.
I'm a chef.
And you
I'm a chef. I should be allowed. My name is Spice, and I should be allowed on the boat because if other people are also allowed on the boat, then it will take time to reach home. So I can make food with my magic spatula and pan. And if I make it slowly, there is no problem because I have a assistant.
Perfect. Oh
look
my
at
God.
you.
We have superheroes, but nobody's thinking about the starving people on the lifeboat, right? And there she is. Oh, that's a cute little assistant. You have a sous chef.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can bring fishes from Atlantis. We will burn them and eat.
What about the vegetarians on the boat?
Not
Let them die, Ibrahim. Let them die.
Oh God, that's horrible. That's terrible.
Seaweeds.
Seaweeds, right? Oh.
Oh, Aisha, I love it. This is
but
a
nobody
wonderful
will
thing.
eat seaweed.
Yeah,
Yes,
Aisha Kazi.
yes.
Aisha Kazi wants to say something.
Nobody will eat
Aisha will
seaweed.
make
Nobody
food
will
for the
eat seaweed.
vegetarian and Aquaman will make for the non-vegetarian.
Oh, there, Usman.
Nice.
Interesting.
Aquaman, king of the underwater, but usko cook bana do. Very good. I like
Aquaman,
it.
you seem to be very popular. Aisha, there's a quote which says, yeah, go ahead.
Fish, na, is Aquaman only.
But
Who says Hamza doesn't speak? Look at Hamza. He's in his element.
people are drowning and we are eating food. We have to
Oh.
save the people who are drowning, ma'am.
Touch my
So
heart
that's why we
very
need
hard.
Iron Man to pick them up.
Wakanda, what's
good.
happening?
Ma'am.
Black Panther. Yeah, Aisha.
Yes.
Elsia, ma'am, I have a
I
point.
agree with that point.
Elsia, ma'am,
Yes, I shall agree.
if the chef makes food for us, we will not get fresh water because it's the sea water and it's salty.
All right. Now let's see
Wow.
what.
The
Yes,
fire
yes.
that
Yeah, unmuted speaker. Batul.
Very water bottle. We will make
Yes, Aisha. There are so many people who are telling
Yeah.
that we shouldn't have a cook. What's your take on it, Aisha? What's your point? There are so many people. They're saying we need to save people first. We need water.
We can make them very juicy food and you will get water from that.
And we can fruit, and then you start with salvaging, and you can make that own.
And we need
Ma'am, we have to save the people, not to make
Party
them
on
eat.
the boat. Yeah.
Ma'am, we
Make
need
them eat.
Superman.
they'll not even eat. They shout.
Then the participants will be heavy and the boat will sink all down.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
move on from this fish
Ma'am.
market.
Ma'am, we
Yes.
need Superman because if we have salty water, so with his laser powers, we can do distillation process.
Oh, Hamza,
Yes.
Superman.
Suddenly they are on one team.
Yeah.
Suddenly, come again. When
Okay.
did that happen?
Water.
DC Jyoti and Marvel joining hands. All right, let's go
I know.
next.
Just
All
for
right,
water.
moving on to the most creative Muhammad Muhammadi. Yeah.
My character is Raven.
Raven?
Raven is a demon.
Demon. Oh,
Yes. I can open a portal and push the boat to the location where it wants to go.
wow. Did he just solve the entire thing?
Food will be there. Any food you want.
Okay, how about others? Mute yourselves, and Mohammed, can you repeat yourself because your voice was breaking? We couldn't hear you.
If anyone wants food, I will snap my fingers and food will be there.
There you are, Aisha. He's challenging your character. He's saying we don't need a cook indirectly. He's saying I'll snap my fingers and there'll be food. Okay, okay. You think about it, Aisha. You think about it, and we'll come to Rushda. Rushda. Yes, there she is, Rushda. How about you introduce your character?
Ma'am, ma'am, our spoons can
Aisha, we'll come to you. Aisha, we'll come to you, child. First, we'll listen to Rushda, and then we'll come to you. All right.
I'm
Yes,
Thanos.
Rushda. You are Thanos. The end. I am going. Bye. All right.
So just with the snap of my fingers, everything will be solved. So I should be left on the boat, you know?
Everything will be solved, or are you going to finish everybody? Like half of the population.
Yeah. I'll
Iron
snap
Man is
off
going
half
to
of
take
the
your
population.
stones.
I can get myself a boat. Yay.
Ma'am, I have a question. I have a
There
point.
you are. Go ahead.
Ma'am, if she snaps, only 50% of the world will disappear. But on the boat also only 50%. Now 50% will be remaining on the lifeboats also. That who are the people who will be saved on? It is
Rushda, one request. Whatever happens, put Ibrahim in the 50% that vanishes.
Okay.
Oh my God.
We got to make a checklist now. Yes, Black Panther had something to say. Can
Ma'am,
you
but
repeat yourself?
Iron Man will take.
Ma'am, she lead.
Iron Man will take away all your infinity stones. Yes. What are you going to do then, Thanos?
I already know that Iron Man will take my
Ma'am,
infinity.
ma'am, the time will, ma'am, she can just, reverse the time and do snap.
Okay, time reverse. All right, yeah.
All right. So somebody already fidgeting with the time machine. Yeah, there you are.
Strange
Because
can
you
do it,
spoke.
but Doctor Strange can stop her.
Yes. Time out. All right. Yeah. There you are.
I am Superman.
We have two Supermans. Which is the original one? Huh?
I have means make the suit also see.
Oh, nice. Okay, yeah.
Chaddi
Please.
and my
From part 2.
Yes, yeah.
Part 2 and
Acha, Shipwreck 2. All right. Yes, yeah.
I can,
Superman Junior.
ma'am, I will just sit back and I will see everyone's ladai, and then when I will come in the finals, then I will do this.
He is a lovely Superman. He's so smart. The most diplomatic Superman I've ever seen. Just sit back and relax. Free SMS ke maze lo.
Who is his SS teacher? Credit goes to him to teach him all this.
All right. So there you are. We have introduced. Oh, Muhammad Saqib is in. Muhammad, how about you?
Humaira.
Okay.
And
Enough
Mohammed
of
Saqib
snapping of
there.
fingers.
And
Yes.
Aisha Aga will come to you. Hold on. Put your hands
Yes,
down.
Aisha, we are coming to you. So, Muhammad Saqib, how about you introduce your character?
Ma'am, my character is boat artist.
Boat artist? You're going to decorate the boat? Architect. All right. You're going to design a boat.
Yeah, ma'am, I will tell everyone to bring woods and then I will make the boat for them to go.
But where are you getting woods in the middle of the sea?
Oh, Hamza, point.
Okay, ma'am, if the ship sinks, any wood is there left, I will take that and make the ship.
Aisha Qazi, go ahead.
But we already have a Black Panther.
How can you make? You are floating. You can die drowning.
Okay, yeah, that's a point. Aisha Kazi, please, Aisha Kazi.
In the first
boat, there will
he
be
makes
some
a boat,
floats.
it will take lots of time to design a boat and then build it. So then we will all get hungry and then
And then that is when you need the book. Aisha Aga, go ahead, speak. Now is your turn.
Ma'am, don't worry, leave everything to Superman. Because he's Superman.
Ma'am, I will help the boat architect to make the
On
boat
the boat,
with my vibranium.
Ma'am, I have
Okay,
underwater.
Abdullah, how about we respect others and let them speak? So Aisha Aga, as I called out her name, we'll let her speak. Yes.
Superman doesn't have to come on the boat. He can just fly and go.
Lovely, both the Superman. So that's 2 people down already.
Oh.
Come on, that's a very strong
We will take the
point.
participants
When
and
you can
go.
fly, why you have to come on the board? Lovely. Now
we
all
have-
the superheroes are in danger.
Okay, Humaira Qasim has to speak up.
I won't come on the boat. I'll pick people from flying only in the air.
Okay,
Oh, we love you for
Alfia
that.
ma'am, is Humaira left? She hasn't
Yes,
spoken.
Humaira Qasim.
Go ahead first, girl.
Yes, introduce your character, Chet.
I'm Sophia,
Sophia. Hello, Sophia.
and I'm cooking boat and give it to everyone. The cook and cook it the food.
Okay, Sophia said she'll cook the food. All right, so that's how she's important. Okay, there you are. So Aisha Aga, I don't think you need that little Barbie doll as an assistant. You can take our very own Sophia. All right.
It will
Yes.
take time to cook. It will
Mohammed says it will take time to cook. Who
Sophia,
else?
this is Sophia.
Oh, that's Sophia. That's cute. All right.
Ma'am, I will just go as fast as I can,
haven't heard
and then I will take
Batul,
the food
Juwairiya
and
and
come
Anas
back.
in a long while, and Umar, these 4 guys haven't spoken in a
Okay,
long
how
while.
about you guys? There are several points in front of you. Umar, Anas, Batul, Juwairiya. Challenge them. Come on.
Okay, so I prefer Iron Man because he can just save all the people and then he can even repair the boat. And he
Who
can
do you think?
get his robots.
All right.
So-
Who do you think?
You
who
will
can
only
be on the board?
you will destroy your boat and
Yahya, hold
what is
on.
make the boat.
Yeah, wait your turn. All right. Iron Man, my question to you is, who do you think shouldn't be on the lifeboat?
I will not be in the lifeboat.
Batul.
We have so many self-sacrificing people out here.
I'm not on the boat.
Ma'am, I guess
Yes.
Iron Man should not be on the lifeboat because as Black Panther said, Thanos is there, so Iron Man will take all the Infinity Stones. So Iron Man,
Aisha Kazi wants to say something
not
as
even
well.
Thanos or the Iron Man should stay in the boat. Otherwise, the boat will sink because of the fighting.
Okay, can I go to Anas?
Alfia, ma'am,
Anas.
Aisha
the
Kazi
end
wants
game.
to say something.
Yes,
Yeah.
we'll come to Aisha Kazi. We'll let Anas speak first. Aisha.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Anas.
The down part of the boat, I will fill with full web, and I will kill the driver, that boat, the driver, and I will
Captain, yeah.
drive fast.
I'm the captain, Anas. I'm the captain.
Good.
By the way.
Let's kill the captain first.
We miss you.
Anas,
I am going with Iron Man. I don't know. Bye
one
bye.
person we don't want on the boat from here, Anas. Quickly tell me. One person we
Come
really
on.
don't
One
want.
person who shouldn't be on the boat.
Ma'am,
Coming
can
to
I
you,
say
Omar,
Iron
coming
Man?
to you.
Yeah,
Excuse me,
After Aisha,
Dawood
we'll
Bhai,
come to
you're
you.
starting a civil war, Dawood Bhai.
that's the whole
Yes,
purpose.
that's the whole point. Come on, go ahead.
Okay, Umar had a lovely point. Go ahead, Umar.
Oh,
Ma'am.
yes.
I will break the lifeboat and put all the superheroes in them, and then I will just kick them because of their war.
I love it. Throw away the superhero. Just save my Thanos. I love Thanos.
Oh my God, please. Aisha Kazi, yes, you speak, Chet.
My character is
Hamza, we'll let Aisha speak. Hamza, we'll let Aisha speak. Yes.
my
Yes, Aisha.
character is Janet, and she travels all around the world. So I have experiences and then of facing consequences. So I can find out another way to save everybody.
Perfect. She is the reincarnation of Dora the Explorer. She's experienced. Come, Aisha. Excellent.
Superman. Oh, I think Batul and Ibrahim Alfia, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Batul, go ahead. Ladies first. Come on.
I don't want any like Superman. I can create a board and I can magic some food for others.
All right, she doesn't need any Superman or any superhero. She can do it for herself with her magical powers. There you go. Golfar. Golfar. Ibrahim, go ahead.
I can just kill her by a snap of
Hey,
a
Hamza, Ibrahim's turn.
Hamza.
Ma'am, I challenge the boat architect. The wood wouldn't stay for so long. The vibranium could stay the longest. So I eliminate Muhammad Saqib.
Oh, he's eliminating. Now, Muhammad Saqib, come on here. You got to fight for your spots. Aquaman is already challenging you, and then after Muhammad Saqib, we'll come to Abdullah Patel. Yes.
But I was the first who was the architect.
You were the first to? Umar.
Then I am the
We'll wait,
architect.
Umar, we'll wait.
I am the first architect.
Okay, he's the first architect. He's the one who made the boat itself.
But
So,
you are very old now. But you are very old now.
how do you know?
No, I
How
am
do you know?
young.
And the model is very weak. So we can take the vibranium.
Then, ma'am, I will help the boat architecture to be in the.
There he is with. Yes.
Why can't we let everybody stay in the boat? We can just fix the boat. Iron Man can just fix
The
the boat.
boat is too tiny, Juveria. It's a very tiny lifeboat with it can accommodate only 8 people.
So the other people will
Thanos wants to say something. Please unmute
Thanos,
yourself.
Thanos, go ahead, Thanos.
Please unmute yourself, Thanos.
She's renamed herself Thanos too. I love it.
What if I snap some kryptonite and put it inside and makes Superman swallow it?
Yes, yes, that is what I was looking forward to. You know, Superman, you're not so super. You have a weakness, and that's kryptonite.
I have kicked Aquaman, all of them. They cannot do anything.
Why?
Ma'am, because I have kicked them out.
Oh my God, he's already kicked you out. What are you guys doing? Come on, you can't just sit there. Muhammad Mahmadi, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Powers. He can use tell them to pull the boat.
ma'am,
Okay,
when
he can
Thanos,
use his powers. Okay, yes, Anas.
ma'am, when Thanos will come on the boat will fully sink.
That is what we know. Oh my God, he said when Thanos will come on the boat will fully sink.
Yeah.
All right, and that is what we do not want. Anas, excellent points. Good, good, good. Yes.
Then
Yes,
what if
Aisha.
I snap away half of the people on the boat and it would be so heavy?
Ma'am, the superhero can fly and go and call fix and he can fix the boat.
All superheroes themselves can. Yes.
Ma'am.
Superman 1.
Ma'am, I cannot start my video.
Oh,
Why, Yahya? Yahya, just relog in, Yahya.
Yeah.
It is shown. It is written you cannot start your video because the host
So,
has
yeah, leave
disabled.
the meeting and then come back again. Okay?
Try
Not a
again,
problem.
Yahya.
Okay. Yes, who was that? Superman part 1. The other Superman is gone. He'll come back.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aisha.
all the superheroes can go away so that there will be only 8 people left and they all can sit in the spare boat and go to the home.
Yes. So
Brilliant
Aisha's like,
logical thinking. Shruti ma'am, good
Excellent.
work with
Yes.
maths. Fantastic.
she's using the left
You
brain.
need me because I have a whole army. I have my own place, so they could bring So if I shout my Mayday, so they would come. And I don't under arrest the power of girls. I use the SDG goals, gender equality.
Whoa.
Love him. Let's keep him. Let's keep him, please.
All right.
Okay.
So what's the conclusion, Alfia ma'am?
But
Where are
ma'am-
we heading to? I think the ship
Black
is hitting the iceberg and everyone's going to
Should
die.
not be
No,
allowed
no,
on
no,
the
no,
ship because
it's not
the,
Titanic.
Panther yes, and Panther does not like water, and he will keep crying in the
Yaya is
whole
back.
channel.
Yeah, is back, and that's
Okay,
good.
okay, one
Okay, so
question.
now, yes,
Alfia ma'am, may I
yes,
ask one
yes.
thing? Okay, now you tell me, if on that boat your teachers were there, would you save us or would you let us go?
I am going by.
Muhammadi, what do you think? Yes,
I
Muhammad.
will just save you two and go in the land.
Oh,
I love
That's
you,
it.
Yaya.
Ma'am, teachers are not.
Muhammad, your voice not coming, Muhammad.
Ma'am, don't forget, Aparna ma'am is also. Ma'am, I have a point.
Oh,
Ma'am, I
Aparna
have
ma'am
a
is also there. Hamdan says, don't forget, Aparna ma'am is also there. That means
Shruti ma'am.
what
Aparna
Hamdan
ma'am is
mentioned.
very good drawing.
Oh,
Ma'am
yes.
can draw very fast.
Okay,
So she could
listen.
draw a blueprint
Everybody,
of
Alfia
the,
ma'am is going to shout your name and
board.
you answer that.
Time out. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Alfia ma'am, you shout and only then they answer. Everybody, even me.
All right. Usman. Skylander. Yes.
Ma'am, I would take, ma'am, I will capture everybody and take them to the prison.
Oh, Usman is saying he'll take everybody to the prison.
Oh
I
my
am
God,
diving. All right.
Ma'am.
Muhammadi, yes.
Clone boats.
You can make drone boats.
Clone.
Clone boats. All right, clone boats.
Okay,
All
we
right,
got-
I take two
Yes.
more opinions. I take
Yes.
two more opinions, and then we move on to the second and the third round. Remember? All right. Juveria, yes. Juveria, go ahead.
Anand can call all his other robots and then everybody can sit on their robot and then go home.
Okay.
That
perfect.
robot is so small. That
All right.
robot is
How
so
about
small.
Sophia?
Only
Last
one robot,
opinion.
that is Jarvis.
Time out. Only last opinion, Sophia. Humera, speak better. Last opinion, Humera. Then we move on to the second round and everybody will get a chance. Don't worry. Yes, Sophia.
See, I make for you this boat. The teacher.
Oh, that's so cute. She's already made a live boat. Oh, that's lovely. Yay, everybody give her a big round of applause. Come on. Let's cheer everybody. It was a wonderful round one. And the conclusion is superheroes, off you go. And the normal ones, the magical powers, we on our way in the live boat. All right. So, yes. There we are. All right. So, there we are. Finally ashore. Now we start with the round two. We are the bright right. All right. And I have certain questions for you, weird questions, or the questions might be creative. You might have to think, imaginative. So I'll pick out the chits again, and there are total 16 questions, and we'll have the name called out. Okay, so the first name is Usman, and this question is directed to you, Usman. What would you do if I stole your chocolates? Everybody mute yourselves, only Usman unmutes and answers. Come on.
I will breathe fire.
You will breathe fire. Usman is still in his character, all right? So he's going to breathe fire and he's going to kill me already. Okay. Next we have Rushda. In your life, what do you want to invent? Yes, Rushda. One thing you want to invent in your entire lifetime.
A universe without superheroes.
A universe without superheroes.
I love the answers in the character. Let them continue doing that.
Yes,
Brilliant.
yes. Third is Aisha Kazi, and this is your question. If you had a secret hideout, where would it be and what would be inside it? A secret chamber, a secret hideout.
It would be a cave.
All right.
Yeah, a secret cave with darkness, and inside I will keep my all secret things and everything.
Okay, and where would it be, Aisha?
It would be near some abandoned place.
All right, so that's very, very secretive.
And
Come on.
Aisha, I'm adding wherever it is, Mustafa cannot be near it at all.
All right. So we have Muhammad Saqib, and this is your question, Muhammad. What's the craziest thing you've ever done? Muhammad,
I don't know.
craziest thing. It can be, you don't know. Okay, how about you think and then we'll come back to you, Muhammad.
Okay.
All right. Next we have Humaira. Would you be friends with your parents if they turned into children? Humaira? Yes. Sophie, Humaira, where is she?
I'm here.
Yes, Humaira. Tell us, would you be friends with your parents if they turned into children?
I'm very happy.
You would be happy and you would be friends with them? Oh, that's lovely. How cute is she? All right. Hamdan Fazlani, this is for you. Using only things that are around you now, how many zombies would you be able to kill? Things that are around you right now. Using only those things, how many zombies would you be able to kill?
Man, they're already dead.
Why? Why, Hamdan? Why are they already dead? Because you're a superhero?
Oh, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, how
can
you
you
put them in the game? On the board.
Oh, you kill them in the game. All right. Next, we have Yahya. Yahya with us. Okay. If you meet anybody from history, who would it be? Yahya.
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Oh.
Yeah.
बोलती बंद करवा दी तुम. I don't know whether I should ask the next question.
Okay, Yahya.
Okay. All right. Anas, how about you? Which is the best place to hide during the game of hide and seek? You tell me yours, I'll tell you mine. Come on. Anas.
Where's Anas?
Yes, Anas. Which is the best place to hide?
Underground.
Underground. Are you a mole? You'll dig and then you'll go underground.
Yes.
Is it? Oh, okay, fine. I used to hide on the rooftops. I was not as fat in the childhood. Anyway.
Are you a tendrak of Madagascar who can dig and eat worms?
Oh, yes.
Hamza.
Excellent references you have, Hamza. I love it. Okay, moving on to next. Aisha
Aisha
Aga.
wants to say, oh, yeah, she is.
All right, speak. Aisha Aga. If you had a time machine, would you travel back in time or to the future? Give your reason. Aisha Aga.
I would go in back in time
Why, Aisha? Why?
because when you go in the future, then people say that they are robots, and I don't like robots. So, and if you go in back in time, there's nothing there, and the stores over there in back in time are very cheap, so I can buy many things, and they are also very nice.
Oh, she's gonna go back in time with the time machine and shop over there. That's brilliant. That's excellent.
It is very cheap back in time.
Yeah, Aisha, even I would travel back in time. You know why? And stop that guy in China who had the bat. Due to which we are right here in the lockdown. Okay, the
Ma'am,
coronavirus.
you know what I would do? I would
Yes.
go in back in time, and the one who invented phone and laptop and that electronic devices, I will tell them that it should be harmless.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect.
And then
Okay,
they fix it
Hamza.
again in the future.
Doctor Strange, Hamza, we have next. Come on, this is for you. Demonstrate the funniest sound you can make. Come on, make a funny sound and show us. Hamza. Perfect question. Just. Are you there, Hamza?
Yes.
Yes. Make a funny sound. Demonstrate. Come on.
Let's see. Many funny sounds.
Okay, one out of the many. What's that? That was a bat screeching. Okay, that was funny. Ibrahim, we have next Ibrahim. Okay. Which cartoon character you wish you had for a teacher? Don't look at me, your teacher is already a cartoon. From the other teachers that you have. Which cartoon character you wish you had for a teacher? Ibrahim.
Ma'am, Nobita's teacher, very bad.
Okay, Nobita's teacher. You want a bad teacher? Teachers take note. Ibrahim wants a bad teacher.
To have Augie.
Oh, all right. Muhammad Mohammadi, next question is directed to you. Where in the universe you want to go for a visit? Why? Ooh. Muhammad Mohammadi. Are you there, Muhammad?
Yes, yes. Ma'am, I want to say something. You would definitely go to USA.
No, in the universe.
I know. I will.
Yes, Muhammad.
I will go to Andromeda Galaxy too.
Okay, and why?
Because I think there is alien life over there.
Oh, the Muhammad is tired of his friends on Earth. He wants to make some new friends. Happy journey, Muhammad. Bon voyage. All right, Juveria, this question is directed to you. What would you do if you woke up as your parents one day? Juveria.
What, ma'am? Can you repeat?
Yes, what would Juveria do if she woke up as Daud sir one day? Come on.
I will tell that I'm Dawood Wade and I'm owning Gold Pharaoh, and then I'll tell all the teachers to sit down 1 day and all the students will teach the teachers.
Take note, sir. You heard that? We are getting an off. We are getting an off. You heard it. We love this principal. Let's make her the principal already.
No, we'll give you a lot and lots of homework. Like
Oh, I already can't cope up with the homework that you've given me.
Ma'am, how will she get up? Like her hair is so tall.
Her hair is long.
How can she tell I am Dawood sir?
We are imagining. We are imagining Muhammad, right?
You can cut his hair.
We can. Oh, savage. All right, Omar Sharif, this question is for you. Would you rather travel on a spaceship or a gigantic dragon? Should I say Osman?
Ma'am, I don't want to travel.
You don't want to travel? You don't want to travel? So what? Okay. If I give you option, spaceship or gigantic dragon, which one would you choose?
Ma'am,
Spaceship. Okay, there you are. We have Abdullah Patel. If a genie gave you 3 wishes, what would you ask for, Abdullah?
save the boat.
Abdullah, if a genie gave you 3 wishes, what would you ask for?
I would ask for after this, whichever wish, first wish would be after this, how many wishes I will ask you, you need to fulfill it because this is from my one wish.
Oh, so he's going to take a lifetime of wishing opportunities, okay. The second wish?
The second wish would be that
okay, we like the first one. You think about it, we'll come back to you. Usman. Oh, that's it? Usman did not get a chance? Usman, did you get a chance? Usman, are you there? How about others? Mute yourselves.
Yes, ma'am. One more, ma'am. Two wishes I got. So from that one would be that I should be on the boat,
okay.
and then the third one should be that I would go in Jannah.
Oh, okay, but that wish I don't think the genie can grant you. All right. How about Usman? You select any one question for yourself and you answer. Come on. Because you are a dragon, how about where in the universe you want to go for a visit and why, Usman?
I went to other cities to discover everything and tell them to the science.
All right, you would discover. And how about Batul? Batul, what would you do if you woke up as your parents one day? Yes, Batul.
Ma'am, I would be very happy if I woke up as my parents one day because then I would get then I can be in charge and do whatever I want.
Wow, I didn't know your Batul, but I would accept that answer. Yes, it would be fun to be in charge of the house one day for a day. Yes, Batul. This is the last question we take, and then we move on to the round 3. I don't know whether we have time. I really
Ma'am
consider
has raised the hand, Alfia ma'am. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man,
wants to say
yes,
something.
Spider-Man, go ahead.
It did by mistakenly.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Batul.
I will be happy too.
Oh, she would be happy too. That's a very sweet answer. Okay, we start with the third round. That is innovative interrogation, and over to you, Daud sir. Is he there?
Yes, I am there. I was muted, so I was
Yes,
just holding on.
Oh,
We have got
I
time
thought
for
you were
this.
behaving like one of our students, you know.
Yes.
Disappearing.
Okay, maybe we'll do quickly, and then we have a lot of overlap of questions, but that's fine.
Alright.
Great going. I think you can decide at the end who will be saved and not. Let me quickly share my screen. And Alfia ma'am, would you just
Yes.
call out the names, and then I'll
Sure.
probably go to each of them,
Go
just
ahead.
the way you did. Perfect.
Yes.
All right. So we've got, this is a thinking exercise. What we call them, there's actually a word for that the Cambridge have introduced called thunk. Thinking chunk of questions that make you think, exactly what Alfia ma'am also did. Very similar. So it's a combination of what we are doing. Alfia ma'am, tell me the first name and we are running to them.
Mohammed Saqib.
Wonderful.
Unmute yourself.
Okay, maybe I'll do something. I'll ask the same question to 3 students, and that's how the fun is. I've got more questions, but this is more fun. Okay.
Perfect.
Mohammed Saqib, tell me 2 more kids. So we'll do that. That's much better.
Okay, we have Mohammed Saqib, we have Rushda, and the third one is Ibrahim. Mohammed
Okay.
Saqib, Rushda, Ibrahim.
All right, Mohammed Saqib, Rushda Ibrahim, your question is on the screen. I'm unsharing it again so that it's more fun seeing you all. Yellow is the answer. What is the question? The
So you have
answer.
to innovate a question.
Yes, Rushda. Alfia ma'am, you keep looking at the students. I'll just look at the answers.
Sure.
The 3 students are, Rushda.
Yes. Yes. Rushda, we'll let Rushda answer first.
Blue plus no.
Yeah, we're almost there, right? Blue plus. Snap. Yes, green. Okay. So that's a lovely answer. What do you get? Rushda, make a question and tell me now.
You have to frame a question.
Yes.
Okay, Rushda, think about it. Ibrahim. Yellow is the answer. What's the question? Yellow is the answer. You have to frame a question.
I am circular and I am there in day.
I am circular and there during the day.
S-U-N.
But the answer is sun, Ibrahim. The answer should be yellow. Mohammed Saqib, coming to you.
Favorite color.
What is my favorite color? Oh, wow. He's acing.
Who was the Mohammed Saqib? Hold on, there are more Hamza, wait, there are more questions coming your way, so you'll have your own
We'll
questions.
call out
Yeah?
your name. You'll get
The
you'll get
3
chance.
kids. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Architect. Quickly unmute and speak up. Aisha,
He
wait,
said-
Aisha.
He
Both
said,
the
"What
Aishas.
is my favorite color?"
Oh, that's
and the
what he
answer
said.
would be yellow.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, Shabana ma'am, frame a question, please. Yellow is the answer.
Okay. What is the inner part of the egg? What color is it?
Oh, that's nice.
Yellow.
Yay!
She's
You
really
know,
taking
Dalbai,
science
I'm
very
all-
seriously.
Yeah.
No, Dalbai, I know you very well. That's the reason. I'm always
Don't
on
worry,
my toes.
we're not letting anyone go. Where is Aparna ma'am? Go ahead. What's the question? Yellow is the answer.
What is the color of the sunflowers?
Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at the artist in her. Always. What's the color of the
Yes.
sunflowers?
Shruti ma'am, come on. Oh, we'll ask next question.
Anyone wants to date Aparna ma'am? Don't give her roses. Give her sunflowers.
Sunflower.
I want to say one question for this.
Go ahead.
For this,
Yes,
that
Abhida.
what is the Mandela Zoom meeting password?
Password.
Oh, don't tell your password. Oh my god.
Oh, that's perfect.
No,
Okay.
Thanos,
so
you
next
did-
question.
Brand ambassador for
wonderful.
Golden Sparrow.
Yeah, you did wonderful, Rushda. I love the
True,
question.
true.
Okay, now next three questions.
Next.
Three. Tell me the three students, and then you go to the
Umar
question.
Sharif,
Okay.
Muhammad Mohammadi, and Abdullah.
Okay, here is it. This is a relatively simpler one. 7 is the answer. What's the question?
Woohoo! Stop sharing the screen, sir. Let me see.
Ma'am.
Let's watch.
Yes.
4 plus 3.
4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, Muhammad Mohammadi.
Who said that?
jersey number of Cristiano Ronaldo?
What is the jersey
Boys,
number?
CR7.
Woo! Squad number. Yes. Abdullah.
What number sounds like even but it is odd?
Oh,
I love it. This is what I expect from rights. I was like,
I'm
no,
so
don't
proud
tell
of
me
him. I am so proud. Shabana ma'am, prepare the adoption papers. Come on.
Why? Because he said the password of Mandela is yellow.
Oh, it's a maths
okay.
question. So, which teacher should we ask? Shout the name and I'll ask.
Shruti ma'am.
Shruti ma'am.
Shruti
Okay.
ma'am.
How many continents are there in the world?
Whoa, Alfia ma'am,
Yeah.
social studies in India. We have a new
Or how
teacher.
many colors are there in the
In
rainbow?
the rainbow. That's the first thing I thought of.
And
Okay.
Janet says,
excellent.
how many stars in the constellation? I love the Janet name,
Oh,
Mr. Aisha.
perfect.
Are we done? Can we go ahead to the next
Yes,
question?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes. So
great.
we have Usman,
Okay, Usman.
Anas, and Yahya. Usman, Anas,
Okay.
and Yahya.
All right, there you are. What's
Next
the question?
question.
Let me see. September is the answer. What's the question?
Perfect.
What is after October?
Ah, I don't want you the
Oh.
answers. Okay. All right, I'll accept that. But
Which months come on 9th number?
Which month do we have on the 9th number? All right.
okay.
Yeah, you are left. Our final hope. Give a dope question. Yeah, is he there? Oh, there he is. Superman. Yeah.
Shazia ma'am, be ready. Unmute yourself. She's
Ma'am,
like,
can I say one?
yeah, we'll like get
No,
you,
Ramji.
Thanos
Yes,
and
yeah,
Black
yeah.
Panther.
4th out of 1. What is what's the name? Matlab, what's the month's name in 4 in 1? Matlab, 1 out
Yeah.
of 4.
One-
Last 4.
Last 4. Okay, the
Fourth last name
Okay.
of the month.
okay. Shruti
No.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a maths answer. Very nice. Black Panther and Thanos wanted to say something. Alfia, we allow them?
In which
Yes,
month
yes.
was I born?
You're acing it. You're acing it.
Tomorrow
Thanos,
was he born? Thanos.
you wanted to say something? Go ahead, unmute. No?
Can I
Yeah.
say
Okay, Iron
Yes,
Man.
yes, Iron Man. Go
Iron
ahead.
Man.
if September's mother has 4 children, Umpty, Dumpty, and Lumpty, what is the fourth child's name?
Whoa! Yo!
How am I their teacher? Why are they intelligent than me?
Ma'am, can I say?
Janet, go ahead.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say please?
Janet first.
We'll let Janet.
Timber is the type of the word that is in the last of the September. Last word.
Okay, which month has timber in it?
Timber,
All right, I'll
yeah.
reframe it, and then it is September.
All
Perfect.
right, horseman, go
We move
ahead.
on to the next. We move on to the next.
I'll just take one from the horseman.
Okay. Horseman?
That's Superman.
Super.
Hamdan.
Okay, horseman because the other form. Yeah.
Hamdan, go ahead.
Hamdan, go ahead.
Teachers' Day comes in September.
I was waiting. I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this.
They love you now.
Full marks. Pass kar do isko. Chalo. Next, we have Batul, Juveria, and Hamdan for the next
Oh my,
question.
the same three. Okay. Cat is the answer. What's the question?
What's my favorite animal?
How do I know?
Yeah.
Come on, Batul.
What
Batul,
is the
Juveria, and
cutest
Hamdan.
animal on earth?
Okay, I think that is Ali Sharif.
Which animal can jump from a height feet and it can't it won't die?
Tiger.
No.
Cheetah.
Which animal does Kausar
Oh, Kausar loves to be bitten with the yeah, Batul, please.
What is
Holly.
the smallest cat? What is the smallest cat in the whole cat family?
Oh, that's a cat? Oh, I love that, Dr. Strange. Aisha, okay, we'll let Aisha Aga say, and Batul is the real question to you. Hold on. Iron Man, hold on. Aisha Aga,
How about
please.
we time out and let Batul
Yeah,
speak
Batul,
first?
please, Batul.
Which alphabet start with C and we can which animal start with letter C and we can keep as a pet?
Caterpillar.
Which animal's name starts with C and we can keep it as a pet? So the answer would be cat. Okay. Also, how about the animal who chases the mouse? The famous Tom and Jerry. Which animal does Tom belong to? Which category?
Okay.
Yes, Juveria, go ahead.
Which was the most famous English singer and then became a Muslim?
Oh.
Most famous thing, cat?
We have lots and lots of questions that comes in. The rock
Yes.
star. Okay, who are the next three students, Alfia ma'am?
Yeah, we have Aisha Kazi, Humaira, and Hamza.
Okay, they're the last three. We got two more.
We have one more left.
Okay, so we'll give.
Should we take that person?
Yeah,
in?
yeah,
Aisha
four.
Aga.
Yeah, all four of
Aisha
them.
Aga.
Okay, the question is, Mom scolded you. What did you do? Yes, your mom scolded you. What did you do?
Hamza, Humaira, Aisha Kazi, and Aisha Aga.
I apologized.
No. What did you do for your mom to scold you?
You did something and your mom scolded you. What was that thing?
Wait, let my chance come there. Can I say, from the photo which there was a boy, his mom scolded him because he ate
chocolate.
Brown right here.
Yes.
4 kids. I want all the last 4
And
kids.
he had the cavity.
All right. Can all of you all mute yourselves except for these 4?
Don't look at us.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
The boy did not do his homework.
You. The question said you. Imagine yourself. Your mother scolded you because you did something. What is that thing? What would your mother scold you for?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Hamza.
She
Yeah.
my but
Hamza, go
I
ahead.
didn't make it.
1 minute. Aisha will come to you. Yes, Hamza.
I climbed a tree, but I didn't know how to come down.
That's lovely. Aisha, how about you? Yes, Aisha Aga.
My told to make a bed, and to make my bed because it is very messy. So I just made it more dirty again.
That's typical Aisha. I can expect that from you, Aisha.
She'll go shopping in the past anyway. Okay, who do we have next?
My mother told me to clean clean my room, but I said I'll do it later.
Okay.
Okay,
Usman,
that's
how about
lovely.
you? Usman.
Yeah, blazing
This
Usman.
is your main question too.
Ma'am, for not
Oh,
doing
was it Usman?
my
No, I think Usman was.
Yeah, Usman, go ahead. He hadn't spoken yet. I
I don't do my homework on time.
All right, and that's why your mother. How about
I have
Humaira?
one,
Humaira,
I
so
have
Humaira.
one.
This is Humaira's
I
main
have one.
question.
Or for
I have one.
We have Humaira.
or for getting a late mark at school.
Oh, that's the reason your mother.
Change your school,
yes.
Usman. Don't go there.
Yes.
And I love what she said. Muhammadi for gaming. Yeah, go ahead,
I have
Superman.
one.
Last one, Superman. Thanos says for shouting, snapping at half
Snapping
the
away
universe.
half the-
Oh, that's lovely, Thanos. Yeah,
Still
go
in the
ahead.
character.
Last one from Hamdan.
When I talk,
I have
Aisha,
Ma'am, I have
wait.
one more.
Aisha, wait. Aisha, wait. Superman, quickly.
when I talk to return loudly to my mother.
Oh, okay. Then she should give you one or two. Okay, Aquaman hasn't spoken.
That was why you're being
I have
recorded.
also one.
Oh my God. No, my mom will agree. Okay, the last question now on the screen is only for the teachers, and that I mean Alfia ma'am. Of course, I'm going to ask you, Shabana ma'am, and Shazia ma'am. So your question on the last one on the screen is this: you wearing a purple dress? What's the occasion, Alfia ma'am, Shazia ma'am, and Shabana ma'am?
I'm attending a BTS concert.
All right, Shabana ma'am.
Black Panther has me covered with vibranium.
Okay, all right, Shazia.
I would wear every day because I love purple.
Oh, that's a hint for me to buy a lot of purple dresses.
Yes.
We are ending. Alfia ma'am, over to you.
All right. So with this, we come to an end to this wonderful event. All of us had a lot of fun, and we thoroughly enjoyed your points, your reasons. Left few of us speechless. Definitely me, because maybe I couldn't think in that direction. It was lovely to have all of you, the guests, the teachers. Thank you so much for joining in and making this event even more commendable. Thank you so much. Give it a big round of applause for yourself. Come on.
Yay, thank you.
Oh, there she is, Humaira. She colored her boat and she's in. Okay, thank you, Humaira. Everybody board onto her lifeboat and off we go. Come on.
Yay, thank you.
We don't want a shipwreck again.
All right.
Okay.
We'll only wreck it like Ralph. Come on.
Wow.
And this is for you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye bye, everybody. See you on
Bye-bye. Take
Tuesday.
care. Yes.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Who's
Who's
the
the
winner?
winner?
Thanos? Go ahead, Alfia ma'am.
Winner, chicken dinner. So whoever has a chicken dinner tonight is the winner. Bye. Off you go.
No, we are vegans for today.
You didn't say who is going to survive.
Ma'am, I got a chicken dinner yesterday.
Okay,
So you're
and you're
already the
afraid of
winner.
chicken?
Ma'am, I always had a chicken dinner.
Okay, so everybody, this is Golden Sparrow. It's not about winning.
will give us surprise if we had a meat dinner.
All right, we'll see you again on Tuesday, and you can discuss it on Tuesday with the teachers. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye.